This story is from a few years ago when I took a trip to Nepal and my driver told me something shocking. He said twice a year he takes a trip to Japan to meet his adoptee Japanese parents who shower him with enough gifts which are equal to or more than his entire income of driving year long in Nepal. Well, he wasn't a one-off case, and adult adoption is extremely common in Japan for several years. In fact, 98% of all adoptions are of men in their 20s and 30s. Now, one use case is where family businesses, they want to adopt sons which will carry forward the legacy. In fact, the current CEO of Suzuki is the fourth consecutive adopted son. And the same concept is applicable and adopted by companies like Toyota as well as Canon. But a few other people try to use this as a way to get around the illegal same-sex marriages. However, with aging populations and rising infertility around the world, India has a massive opportunity 10-20 years from now. With the largest youth population in the world, I think in the next 10 to 15 years, a lot of Indians will start getting adopted by foreigners. And it could be a massive opportunity. So before Anupam Mittal starts a beta.com, maybe in 2035, you should start working on this idea. Share it with someone who may need it.